Okay, in this video I'm going to continue on with my tutorials in thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. This is video number 16, or this is the fourth and final video of the sub-videos on the Taylor series and the MacLaurin series expansion. So this is going to be very short and sweet. Here is our Taylor expansion, and we're going to get the Taylor expansion of e to the x, having seen in the previous video that we did Taylor and MacLaurin expansion, or Taylor-MacLaurin series of cosine of x. So, like I said, this is going to be short and sweet. So we need the derivatives because we need to get the nth derivatives here. So that we'll say so f of x is equal to e to the x. F prime of x, or the first derivative of x, is also e to the x. So we know that the exponential function has the property where that the nth derivative, so that's the way I'm going to write the nth derivative, is this. Alright? So, yeah, there we go. So now we have all our coefficients, because we know that we'll say c sub n is equal to the nth derivative evaluated at x is equal to a and divided by n factorial. So that means we need to evaluate these at x is equal to a. Well, let's put in a here, and this becomes x is equal to a. There we go. So that's it. So now let's just calculate our Taylor series. So the Taylor series then, the Taylor series of e to the x is going to be, well, e to the x. So it's going to be e to the a, times x minus a to the 0 divided by 0 factorial plus e to the a x minus a to the 1 divided by 1 factorial plus, and so on. So how do we go from Taylor of x to MacLaurin of x? Well, we set a is equal to 0, and you find that if you set a is equal to 0, we get the MacLaurin series of e to the x is equal to e to the naught, which is 1. Sorry, e to the naught is 1. So we just get x minus a to the naught times naught factorial plus e to the naught, x minus naught to the, that's naught as well, to the 1 factorial, e to the naught, x minus naught to the 2 factorial, and so on. Or if you want to rewrite that, the MacLaurin series of e to the x is equal to 0 plus 1 plus x squared over 2 plus x cubed over 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and so on. And if you want to put that in a nice compact fashion, you can say the MacLaurin series of e to the x is the infinite series from n is equal to 0 to infinity of x to the n divided by n factorial. Okay, like I said, short, sweet. So thanks for watching. Please pass it on to your friends, subscribe to my channel, and if you're in a good mood, you might also click on an ad. Thank you.